Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the dark mode or turn on the dark mode on your Done application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon, which is the first option down below. Now scroll down to the app settings section and click on the third option saying theming. Now you have only one option at this page, which is turning on the dark mode. All you have to do is tapping on this button that you can see in the right side of the screen. So as you can see, if you go back to your home page, that the dark mode theme has been turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.